Hello students, how are you? This is D.V. Anvalli, your maths teacher. We cannot conduct classes in our schools in this pandemic period. Until then, we will continue the classes through some videos and sometimes Zoom classes also. Okay? Already real numbers chapter is going on in Saptagiri channel. I think you are all watching the Saptagiri channel properly. So, I want to discuss another chapter, that is sets, in this video. Okay? The first topic in this sets is definition of sets and its formation. Definition of sets and its formation. The set theory was developed by the mathematician George Cantor. It is also one of the bit. The set theory was developed by George Cantor. So, what is the definition of sets? The collection of well-defined objects. The collection of well-defined objects or things is called a set. What is the definition of set? The collection of well-defined objects or things is called a set. What is meant by well-defined objects? What is meant by well-defined objects? The objects or things having a common property or rule that is called well-defined. For example, you take a set of fruits. So in this sets, all the things are fruits only. A set of students. So in this set, all the things or objects are only students. So they are having the common property fruits only, here students only. Okay. These brackets denotes the symbol of sets. These brackets denotes the symbol of sets. So we read it as set of. So for example, suppose A equal to set of 1, 2, 5, 7. So these are all numbers in this set. So here the things and objects are only numbers here. Suppose you take B equal to set of pen, pencil, chair, like this. So in this set B, pen, pencil, chair, these are only things. So here the common property is things, here the common property is numbers. So the things in the set is called elements. So these are called elements. So how many number of elements in this set A? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 elements are there. How many number of elements in the set B? 1, 2, 3. So 3 elements are there. So the elements in the set, number of elements in the set is denoted by N of A. We read it as N of A. Here N of A equal to 4. Here N of B equal to how many elements in this set? 1, 2, 3. 3 only. So here N of B equal to 3. It is also important bit. Number of A equal to how much? Number of B equal to how much? Number of means always we take it as numbers only. Okay. So the set symbol is these brackets. Set theory was developed by George Cantor. The definition of set. There are so many daily life examples also there. In our school, girls is a set, boys are another set, teachers are another set. Okay. In your house, so many things are there. you take it as all things are one set. Okay, these are the, in numbers also so many types of sets are there. In 9th and 8th class up to 6th class also you learn so many types of number sets. Natural number sets, that is denoted by n equal to set of 1, 2, 3, etc. These numbers are infinite. So how many elements are there in natural number set? That is infinite. So here n of n equal to not defined and infinite. Okay. So W is the whole number set. What is the starting number in whole number set? That is 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. This is whole number set. The next one is integer set. Z equal to, the middle one 0, right side positive numbers, left side negative numbers. So this is a integer set. Rational number set, real number set, so many types of sets are there in numbers. Okay, the next one is the number, is the element belong to the set or not? Once observe, all of you. Suppose you take the set like this: 1, 5, 1, 3, 7, 9. It is a set A. Here 7 belong to A. Belong to A means the number 7 is in the set A. Okay. We denotes the number belongs to. Belongs to means it contains in A. Here 8 is not there in A set. So 8 does not belong to A. 2 is belong to A or does not belong to A. 2 is not here in the set. So 2 does not belong to A. 0. What can you say about 0? 0 also does not belong to A. So this is belong to symbol. This is does not belongs to symbol. So this is also one of the bit. Belong to, the element is belong to the set or does not belong to the set. Okay. The next one is formation of sets. Formation of sets. So in this one, formation of sets mainly two types. Formation of sets. Formation of sets. This is mainly two types. First one is roster form. Roster form. Second one is set builder form. Set builder form. So what is meant by roster form? So in roster form we can see the elements directly. In the set builder form we cannot see the elements directly. For example, roster forms are all like this: 1, 5, 7, 10. This is the roster form. Here we can see the elements 1, 5, 7, 10 directly in the set. Okay. Set builder form means we cannot see the elements directly. Some clues are given in this. X such that, suppose x belong to n, x less than 5. So this is the set builder form. So what is the difference between these two? Here elements we can see directly, we cannot see directly here. Is there elements are there on? Is there elements? What are the elements in this set? We can find the elements. We can find the elements using the clues only here. Okay. So what are the clues in this one? The first clue is x belong to n. The second clue is x less than 5. By using these two clues, you can find the elements here. So what are the elements in this set? X belong to n means n is a natural number set. So the set is starting with, natural numbers are starting with 1. So 1, 2, 3 up to the second clue is x less than 5. So second element 2, 3, 4. So less than 5 means only 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 4 only. You can't write the 5 here. Okay. So these are the elements of this set. So this is the set builder form and this is the roster form. There is an important question in your 10th class. Convert into roster form to set builder form, conversion of roster form to set builder form and set builder form to roster form. How is it? We can see. Okay, first you take the roster form. Suppose the colors of rainbow. The colors of rainbow. Here we can't see the elements directly. What is given in this one? The colors of rainbow is given. So it is the roster form. It is the set builder form. You can change it as roster form. How can this? So what are the colors in rainbow? Do you know the colors of rainbow? So which are? 7 colors are there. So violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. These are the 7 colors of rainbow. So it is the roster form and it is the set builder form. So take another example in this model. Take another example. So the letter in the word school. The second example is the letter in the word school. Second example is set of the letter in the word school. Here also SCH. In this set also we can't see the elements directly, so it is a set builder form. How can you convert into roster form? So the letter in the word school. So what are the letters in the spelling of school? S is there, C is there, H is there. O 2 times repeated, but you write only 1 time in the set. The elements does not repeat 2 times in a set. Okay, understood? So first letter S, C, H, O, L. These are the only elements in the set. We can't write the element 2 times in a set. Suppose for example, in your class, no girl student repeat 2 times kada. Okay. So S, C, H, O, L is the roster form of this set. How can you convert? Suppose given roster form is given, how can you convert into set builder form? For example, first you have take x such that x belong to W, x less than or equal to 4. This is the set builder form. How can you convert into roster form? So what are the clues here? The first clue is x belong to W. The second clue is x less than or equal to 4. X belong to W means the starting number in W is 0. So 0, comma. So the second clue is less than or equal to 4. What do you mean by less than or equal to? You have to write the numbers up to 4. R equal to means 4 is also there in this set. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose less than 4 is given. Don't write the 4 in this set. So this is the roster form of this set. Another example, x such that x belong to n, 1 less than x less than 6. So this is the another set builder form. How can you convert into roster form? So first x belong to n is given, first clue. So the starting number is 1 always in n. The starting number is 1. But what is the second clue? X is in between 1 and 6. So we can't write 1 here. Okay. X is in between 1 and 6 means only what are the between numbers in 1 and 6? 2, 3, 4, 5 only. Okay, you can't write 1 here. So 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the roster form of the sets. So how many elements? Elements means the things in the set are called elements. So how many elements in this set? Suppose let it be A, let it be B, and let it be C. How many elements? 1, 2. These are all called elements in the set. These are all called elements. These are also called elements. So how many elements in the set? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements. So number of A means the element number of elements in the set. It is denoted by n of A. So n of A equal to here 5. Here how many elements in the set B? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements. Here also number of elements in the set B equal to 5. Here how many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4 only. So here we take n of C equal to 4. This is also, so n of A, it is called cardinal number. Number of elements in the set is called cardinal number. Cardinal number means number of elements in the set. Number of elements in the set. Okay. Now we take some more examples. Conversion of set builder form to roster form and roster form to set builder form. Okay. Understand? Next example. This is the set builder form. X such that X belong to N. X is a factor of 16. So here also we can't see the elements directly. Convert into roster form means first you find the elements in this set. So what are the clues given? First one, X belong to N. So all are natural numbers. The second clue is X is a factor of 16. So what are the factors of 16? You have to find the factors of 16. How it is? One factor. What are the factors of 16? 1 16s are 16. 2 8s are 16. 4 2s are 16. Again 8 2s are 16 repeated. So what are the factors? 1 comma 2 comma 4 comma 2 also repeated, 8 comma 16. So how many factors are there? Only 5 factors. So all are natural numbers. These are all natural numbers. So the set roster form is 1 2 4 8 16. So this is the roster form of the set builder form. How many number of elements are here? Here also 5 elements. Let it be some C. So here n of C equal to 5. N of C equal to 5. Another example. Let D equal to X such that X belong to N. X is a multiple. X is a multiple of 4. What is the difference between factors and multiples? So these are the factors. Factors are limited. Multiples are infinite. What are the multiples? What are the multiples of 4? 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. So etc. These are all multiples of 4. These are all multiples of 4. So multiples are always infinite number. Factors are limited number, finite number. Okay. So D equal to set of 4, 8, 12, etc. etc. So this is infinite set. This is finite set. Okay. In types of set we will discuss later. So here number of elements in the infinite. Number of elements in the infinite. So this is the process for convert roster form to set builder form and set builder form to roster form. So this is the topic about definition of sets and formation of sets. I will send the notes for this topic also. All of you should maintain the notes properly. Note it in the notebook, all of you. Okay. The next topic will be in second video. Until then, bye. Thank you.